Welcome along to the channel, little midweek video for you where we thought we've got 2 tool videos coming out on Saturdays. So let's give you some cars during the week. So we're going to do a big old rundown here. Got the Lincoln Continental here, which is the most awesome, ugly car you've ever seen in your life. She's not pretty, but it's pretty awesome. If you look back through the channel, we did a load of work on this 2-3 years back now. Jamie's dropped it down to us to just repair the inner door shells so you can fit new door rubbers to it. That's all done and ready to go. That's a nice little job there. The Escalade, I'll come back to that in a minute actually. Luke's had a really good week. He's finally got his Mustang back on the road, so I can hear him coming into work every morning, which is good. His neighbours can hear him coming into work every morning, which is also great. And then we've got the Transit outside in the sun just for today. I can't remember which way the tool videos are coming out now, but as I mentioned in one of them, we're now doing sill work on the Transit, so I can't do that up on the 2-poster ramp. And we've got the VW Golf to do, which does need the 2-poster ramp. So we've had a swap around now. This will come back in the workshop this afternoon and we'll carry on and get the outer sills on that. Moving on, we have, which we will be introducing you to very soon, Jaguar XK-R, which is full body. We're a little bit behind schedule with that, so great understanding customer. It's sitting here ready for us to crack on through August on that one. Next to it is Michelle's little Mini, which died. The engine decided it had enough, and frankly we've had enough of it, so that's going. However, behind us is our little works caddy van, which is my daily to and from work. Nothing exciting. I've overlooked the fact that that's run out of MOT and has got quite a failure list on it. So with all the vehicles we've got around us, I'm now using the Cadillac Escalade every day to get to and from work. And Michelle's using her Impala for everything that she needs to do. So at the minute, we're rapidly buying shares in BP. But it sounds good and it's comfortable and it's fun and it's summer, so what the heck. Moving inside the workshop, quick run round of where we are. Sitting in the booth waiting to be collected is a BMW E30 M3 Competition Evolution. I think I got that right, it's a hell of a title. We do a load of work for a company locally. We don't feature any of this work on the channel because they do their own thing, but that's sitting there now ready to get collected. And the Stag is nearly ready to go in the booth and move on to its next stage of primer, which will be finishing primer. So Luke's nearly finished blocking down the polyester. We then break it down to panel components. That goes in the booth, primed up, blocked, coloured, built, good to go. So that's cracking on nicely. VW Golf is just about to start. We introduced you that video or 2 back now. So that's just about to get underway. Obviously there'll be a video coming on that. It's one of the smaller jobs, so that would come through pretty quickly. The 59 Cadillac, we left off with the boot floor and the inner rear wings being done. They're still being done. We love this car. We're gonna love it even more when it's back with its owner. It's great, but it's quite a saga. It was allocated for 6 weeks and it's been here, I think, now 7 months. Just the amount of work involved has just grown and grown and grown. 57 Bel Air of mine is still serving its purpose. It's gathering all the dust in the workshop. Long may that continue. And then the Jensen, we did an update on the Jensen very recently. So we've got sills on this now, got a wing on this now. We're now starting into the rear quarter panels and lower valances. And next to it is a job, we might make a video of this, I'm not quite sure. It's an old Range Rover Classic. It's a 3.5 Vogue, 4-door, came into us looking like this, and we've got to do all the structural welding. So we've got inner and outer sills going into it, floor pans, front inner wings going into it, rear wheel tubs and a boot floor. So plenty of welding there to keep us busy. we've still got, of course, a 57 Cadillac, which at the minute is just tucked in the back room there, which is where that E30 M3 competition evolution, that's where that was living until we've got that painted. So while that's in the booth, Cadillac's in the back there, that'll be back out, work carrying on next week. And then Beau's Capri, which he's done sod all with because he's sunning himself in Italy now. The joys of youth. So that will be moving forward with that soon because he's actually got his driving test booked fairly soon. So it's obviously not going to be ready for him being on the road. We've got a little run around outside ready and waiting for him. But once he is driving, he's going to be keen to get that done. So we will be pushing forward with that. I think, unless I've forgotten anything, Lou, that's us workshop cars up to date. So it's yeah, business as usual. Tool video coming up this Saturday. There won't be a midweek video the week after, but after that, who knows? Probably a finished Triumph Stag with any luck. So thank you for watching our content. We appreciate the feedback. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe, help build the channel, and we'll be back soon with some more videos for you.